This is Darshana Gauchan with your B2B Cambodia Market update for December 15th, 2025. The Cambodia Securities Exchange Index was down 4.49 points or 1.06% to 418.97. Total trade volume was up with 182,734 shares changing hands at a total value of 1.03 billion real or over $259,000. On the main board, most stocks were down. The biggest loser of the day was Akleda Bank, down 2.47% or 180 real to 7,120 real per share, followed by Sinakville Autonomous Port, which dropped 1.54% or 200 real to 12,780 real per share. MJQ Education and Pestec Cambodia were the only two stocks to stay flat, while the rest were down. Over on the growth board, all three stocks were down as well. JS Land dropped 4% or 100 real to 2,400 real per share, followed by DBD Engineering, which was down 0.47% or 10 real to 2,140 real per share. Picasso City Garden, meanwhile, dropped 0.41% or 20 real to 4,800 real per share. Akleda Bank recorded the highest trade volume of the day with 104,284 shares changing hands at a total value of 746.5 million real or close to $187,000, approximately 57% of the total trade volume on Monday. Picasso City Garden recorded the second highest trade volume of the day with 14,974 shares changing hands at a total value of 71.7 million real or nearly $18,000, about 8% of the total trade volume on December 15th. Moving on to the exchange rate, the Khmer Real to USD stayed flat at 4,009 real per US dollar, while the US dollar index was down to 98.30. Looking at global commodities, oil prices held steady on Monday as investors balanced supply disruptions linked to escalating US-Venezuela tensions with oversupply concerns and the impact of a potential Russia-Ukraine peace deal. Brent crude futures were up 15 cents or 0.25% at $61.27 US dollars a barrel, and US West Texas Intermediate crude was at $57.59 US dollars a barrel, also up 15 cents or 0.26%. Both contracts slid more than 4% in the prior week, weighed down by expectations of a global oil surplus in 2026. Gold held near a more than 7-week high on a weaker dollar and lower US yields ahead of key jobs data, while silver climbed but remained shy of Friday's record peak. Spot gold rose 1% to $4,344.40 US dollars an ounce. Bullion hit its highest since October 21st on Friday. US gold futures gained 1.1% to $4,377.40 US dollars an ounce. US stock futures advanced on Monday as investors put a brutal week behind them, waiting for a flurry of key economic data in coming days to help set expectations for interest rates in 2026. As of the time of the Cambodian market's closing, contracts on the S&P 500 and the tech-heavy Nasdaq 100 gained 0.4% on the heels of sharp closing losses on Friday. Meanwhile, contracts on the Dow Jones Industrial Average also rose 0.4%. This was Darshana Gauchan with your B2B Cambodia Market update for December 15th.